This is English shorthand dictation number 19. Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. He submits that the old demonetized notes will be replaced by new legal tender notes in the form of rupees 500 and rupees 2000 progressively in right earnest. Stop. Considering the stand taken by the learned Attorney General, we may commend to the authorities to fulfill their commitment made in terms of the stated notification permitting withdrawal of rupees 24,000 per account holder of the bank per week to the extent possible, and review that decision periodically and take necessary corrective measures in that behalf. Stop. The trial court, after analyzing the evidence, found that there were few contradictions in the statement of PW1 and her daughter PW2 with regard to the period of stomach ache and the duration for which she was on medication by the local doctor oblique private chemist. Stop. However, in the opinion of the Sessions Court, these were very minor discrepancies. Stop. The Sessions Court noted that the prosecutrix was only 9 years old child when the incident happened, and she was only 12 years of age when she deposed in the court, and therefore it could not be expected of her to report each and every fact by giving minute details. Stop. The trial court further observed that both the witnesses withstood the test of credibility, as even after undergoing detailed cross examination, their depositions on vital aspects remained firm and could not be shaken. Stop. The main argument advanced by the defense before the trial court was that it was a case of inordinate delay, where reporting to the police was 3 years after the incident. Stop. The trial court, however, was not convinced by this argument. Stop. Para. It appears that after hearing the arguments of learned counsel for the parties, the learned tribunal came to the conclusion that the accident took place due to rash and negligent driving of DCM truck bearing registration number UP78/N 3907, and in the said accident the deceased Dr. Rajiv Kumar had received serious injuries, and due to that he died. Stop. The tribunal further came to the conclusion that at the time of accident the offending vehicle was insured with the United India Insurance Company Limited, and the policy was valid on the date of accident. Stop. The tribunal also found that at the relevant time all the papers relating to offending vehicle, that is driving license of the driver, registration certificate, permit and fitness certificate, etc., are valid and effective. Stop. Thus the insurance company is liable to indemnify the owner. Stop. The learned tribunal, after discussing the materials available on the record, further came to the conclusion that the claimants are entitled to receive compensation to the tune of rupees 16,39,320 with 6% interest. Stop. Against the aforesaid finding, by which learned tribunal assessed the compensation, this appeal filed by the claimants and appellant further prayed for enhancement of the compensation. Stop. It is submitted by Shri Vidya Kant Shukla, the learned counsel for the appellants, that the learned tribunal, while assessing the compensation, had deducted 1/3 amount towards the personal expenses of the deceased. Stop. It is submitted that in the instant case, on the date of filing of claim, application as well as on the date of passing of judgment. Altogether, 5 persons were dependent upon the deceased. Stop over.